Did you know your brain literally creates fear from thin air? And ancient philosophers figured this out 2,000 years before science proved them right? When you feel afraid, your amygdala is making predictions based on incomplete information. It's essentially guessing what might happen and treating those guesses as reality. Modern neuroscience shows that most threats your brain warns you about don't actually exist. But here's the fascinating part. Marcus Aurelius and the Stoics already knew this. They understood that fear was just faulty thinking, not real danger. The Stoics practiced something called negative visualization, imagining worst-case scenarios on purpose. This actually rewires your neural pathways, teaching your brain to process information more accurately. What we call courage isn't being fearless, it's having better information processing. The Stoics discovered that when you demand evidence from your own thoughts, most fears simply dissolve. They were doing cognitive behavioral therapy centuries before it had a name. Ancient wisdom meets modern brain science.